Guys, Mimish, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's wrap up our day. Um, just goes, it just goes. Oh, that's loud and annoying. Continuation of the trend. It is a one bar rule, isn't it? It is. It's just like, just doesn't stop. Continuation of the trend. Continuation of the trend. One bar rule. You guys, it's ridiculous. That's a level at least. Market just gallops. Absolutely without me. Absolutely without me. This thing. Boom. Look at S&P 500. It's ridiculous. Everyone in their grandma thought it's reversal, and then just wasn't. Yeah, T-Row is in one bar. Roll. One bar is not enough for a correction. That's why we have the one bar rule. So that means that people probably, market participants are probably not gonna respect this level if it comes to it. So there is no point to have it. Broke this balance out here. Yeah, yeah, that's the level. Continuation of the trend. Goes down and reversed here. Yeah. Something like this. Pfizer, too much volume. Like, why is it so big? It's last hour of the day, and yet, and there's no context on daily, so. And then minutes it died. 5 minutes is dead. DEAD. Well, that was kind of a break. Yeah, I changed direction, so it doesn't make any sense. Even though it's in 0.5. Even though it's 0.5. Balance, maybe. It's not gonna come to it though. Never does. Ooh, that's not sexy. Boom. No way, was it? Sorry, I'm just mumbling something under my nose. Like a madman. Like a madman. That's a 1-bar rule. It's gonna be a sign of strength. Both of them are a sign of strength. Continuation of the trend. You see how it goes? Like unstoppable. Boom, 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 boom. I absolutely cannot. Join the party when it moves like this. Market is just like too crazy. One bar rule, all of this. This is crazy. This is just how markets go. Yeah, some balance here. Oh shoot, I finally understood what crosshair means here. Oh my gosh. It took me only 2 years to understand what crosshair um, synchronization means on the split panel. Yes, that's it. Time delay on break goes up. It's too far from 0.5. Wouldn't even touch it. Boom. I've been thinking about Bitcoin recently. If it's half when the American market is at all-time highs, what is it gonna do when the market collapses? Because if anyone thinks that it will counterbalance the American market, good luck. The way I see it's still pure breed correlated derivative of American market. But that's just me. It's just me. Yeah, the volume distribution is one tier below perfect. In ideal world, we would want this volume to be on this bar, but they both are the part of the same extremum. Beautiful volume. It's rare to see such volume distribution on American market. Very rare. Because there is no meat, I think. There is nothing real, just like speculation, pure speculation. That's what I think. It's color trend, but it's a balance. So, doosh. Look at this guy. Volume distribution was not good. After this guy, it was perfect. It was perfect. Why is it perfect, not perfect? Look just how beautiful it was. It's sad story. It wasn't the transition extremum. It was one step above, but still in the right place of daily time frame. It's counter trend, so we needed a close manipulation signal. Unlike on Bitcoin. Yeah, we did need a close manipulation signal, so that would mean entry anyways, but look. And volume distribution here is better, the bigger volume on the reaction bar. That went higher. It's not the biggest volume though. Anyways, we're in this universe now, having changed direction. Or have changed direction rather. Yeah. That's oops. Uh, you see neutral zone. No contextual direction. No context, and it's just a massacre. And it's just a massacre. We can put it here. No, it doesn't help us anyhow. It's just a massacre. Just a massacre. Good enough for exhaustion, aka climatic event. Not the biggest, but big enough. Yeah. But on hourly, on daily, we are just on daily even more so. We are bebopping in the middle of nowhere. And also, volume distribution is not the best in between these two bars. I'd rather so had it on the buying bar. And yet, and yet, same dealio. Okay. Good, nice exhaustion. Good up to 0.5 with the close manipulation signal. And we already reached 0.5. Point. The the spring configuration needs a test on day, and I don't think it's a good context on months for an investment trade. That would be good 0.5. Yep. That will be going good 0.5. Dune. You see this good job not taking this trade. Remember yesterday I was about to? Good job not taking this trade. I would have. Not so far ago, I would have. Why did the indices went so high? Everything on my list went down. Or is it just me? Of all the stocks, look what all the indices do. And look what my watch list does. Bro. Oh, that was sweet. Oh, that was sweet. Look at this volumes. Even without test, maybe. To be brave. Screw the last hour of the day volume. Doesn't count, and then boom, this spring. Yeah, maybe that was good for a bro, even on the not on the yeah, nothing on a little too high. And, something like this, maybe. C 0.5. So this upthrust wouldn't count. Um, it tries it again, look. Tries it again. Boom. Ruble did real good against dollar. Yeah, it's gonna close in a break, most likely. So test would have helped us here to save money. Continuation of the trend. This thing continues to climb. Okay. Boom, Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo. Goes to 0.5 on earnings. It's too low. Doing. It's too low. Something like this. Wait. It's right at the level. It's right at the level. It's right there right now. Yeah. Correction. When 5 continuation, too much volume. It's not the 20th of March. It's weird. And it's a break. Fjord. Oi. I'm tired. Tired. It's not gonna hold. I don't think so. Oh, interesting. Unvolumed spring. But other than that, douche. Unvolumed upthrust. Continuation of the trend. And it's balanced, so we're good till the end of the range. Continuation of the trend. It's brutal. It's brutal. On the horizon. Oil. Broke the level. One bar rule. There was some accumulation here, and then this. It's our sinus strings. Curls lower. It needs to break this level. Or Pepsi. Because I'm gonna go. Should I finish? By the way, that was not the level. It's not sign of strength because its range is smaller than this and the following bar. This is it's continuation of the trend and it's so high. Would never ever do anything there. Change of direction. Oh wait, and we had the transition extreme. Yeah, there's a whole life that happened here ever since we changed direction. I think more and more about Via Hermosa Chavez's recommendation to pay less attention to volume and more attention to bar and wave movement. So hedge. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna bail out. I'm gonna bail out. Oh, by the way, this level doesn't matter anymore. So change direction regardless. It's bebopping back and forth. I think we can let it go. Ooh, that's a good volume. For Russian market. Everyone was waiting a full-scale war with Europe at this point, I think. No one wants to invest. So that's what I've heard, at least. That consensus is such that the further escalation of war with Europe or Western world in general is coming. So I don't think there are going to be many people who would want to invest. International market. What the heck has happened there? What the heck? I want to finish the list, but also want to go. Okay, come on, Misha. There's not much left. Why didn't I? Broke down. Broke the level, confirmed. Yeah, alternatively, it broke the level and confirmed the change of direction, so then broke down here. Anyway, you guys think I'm a madman, right? I think I am in a sense. Okay, so what happened here? think I am at this point of my trading career. Very much a madman. Hallucinating on the charts. Not doing my trades. I had only one in March and 0 in April. None of this looks good or healthy. And yet, it's at the level. Break. Down, down. None of this makes any sense. Volume distribution is horrible. Well, it was a move to 0.5. Hmm. Why are we? Even watching it? Nike is wrestling down there. It's her spring. Some volume on test. It went down and same deal. It's like That would be a level to watch. If months doesn't close in correction. Coca-Cola. Oh, that was continuation of the trend all this time along. No, really. One bar rule everywhere. Mm, it's coming there. Oh, it's actually there. It's actually so there. What is all this? And we went to 0.5 immediately, so I wouldn't trust this much. I wouldn't trust this much. And it's breaking right now as we speak, like in 11 minutes, so makes no sense. But this like 2 days in a row, there was a possibility. Mm, no exhaustion volume yet on daily. Oof, I made it through the list, you guys. That was continuation of the trend. No, yes. Finally, it will be like here, starting from tomorrow. Continuation of the trend. '20th of March. Anyways, whatever it was, yeah, that was the level, and then tried to up thrust and then didn't go. Oops. We need levels, big time. Mm. Yeah, I think this 0.5 is premature. We don't need it just quite yet. So, yeah. The heck is this? Samolot is just dying. I lost some money on Samolot. Okay, that's it, you guys. I'm bailing out. Oh, and it's an end of the day anyway. So, okay, take care. Trade responsibly. Um, make all decisions on your own. Never listen to anyone no one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as my